stop till I hear him say,
Okay, what is going on, CYPRX advanced YouTubers? Welcome back to the CYPRX YouTube page. As always, if you're interested in learning about cryptocurrencies, commodities, indices, foreign exchange, please go ahead and consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. In today's video breakdown, we are going to cover some technical analysis, price predictions on QNT. I'm also going to give you all my overall investment strategy on QNT. Now, again, nothing that I constitute here is financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy or sell QNT personally long term. I'm extremely bullish on the longevity of QNT. Now, before we dive into today's video breakdown, I'd like to thank you all so much for subscribing to the YouTube channel. With that being said, once we reach 10,000 YouTube subscribers, I'm going to do a merch giveaway. I haven't decided how many YouTubers are going to win the merch giveaway. Probably anywhere between 2 to 5 YouTube viewers are going to be able to have a chance to win some CYPRX merch. So we go over here. This is the type of stuff that we're going to be giving away: CYPRX snapbacks and CYPRX hoodies, because most likely by the time we do make it to 10,000 YouTube subs, it is going to be a little bit later into the year. Hopefully speaking, right, maybe that comes into fruition in the next couple of months, but just logically speaking, right, it does take time to actually grow a YouTube channel, to convince people to subscribe to the YouTube channel. So make sure that you guys are hitting that subscribe button if you are watching this YouTube content. If you're not already subscribed, smashing that thumbs up button does help boost the YouTube algorithm. And again, we are going to do a merch giveaway once we reach 10,000 YouTube subscribers. So again, I do appreciate the love and the support that everybody shows this YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video breakdown. So coinmarketcap.com, right now we are sitting at $61.45, down right now about 1.77%. Going down and scrolling to the all-time high on QNT, it is recorded at roughly around $428, currently down 85% from that all-time high. Personally, what I've told the CYPRX students is that I will be accumulating QNT as long as we remain below 80% discount from its all-time high. From an ROI perspective, from a return on our initial investment perspective, any money that I put into QNT returns back to its all-time high. That is a significant return on our initial investment here at CYPRX. Again, when I seek to invest in cryptocurrency assets, or any asset given that be, I'm not sitting here looking for some bullish moonboy price prediction. Okay, yes, it would be phenomenal. And yes, do I think QNT has the potential to reach Bitcoin size, longevity? Absolutely. I think that QNT is a massive project. I think that what they're doing for the future of the cryptocurrency market is going to put them in a very significant place. Overall, I think that QNT, for my long-term bullish moonboy price predictions, is going to be well above $10,000 by 2030. Okay, so if you are looking to hold QNT long-term, like I said, I'm not telling you guys to buy or sell QNT. I will have some long-term coins that I hold on QNT, but the majority of the QNT that I'm accumulating right now, I will seek to take partials when we do surpass all-time highs, because eventually we will come for this liquidity. It is inevitable, okay? And allocating money into QNT right now from these low prices, again, discounted. Right now, we are currently sitting roughly at around 85% discount. I told the CYPRX students, as long as we remain below 70 on QNT, this is my accumulation zone. So I will be seeking to continuously buy QNT. Now, again, I'm not just dumping money into QNT randomly, right? I'm not dollar cost averaging in random spots. I'm actually utilizing the strategy to properly dollar cost average in at lows. Now, that's not to say that the bottom is in, but jumping down to the lower time frame, I'm going to show you all multiple buying opportunities that you could have placed on QNT in this accumulation zone. So again, this is my personal investment strategy in QNT. As long as we stay below 80% discount from its all-time high at $428, I'm going to be seeking to allocate money into QNT to ride the wave back to the upside, and I will seek to take some partials roughly when we do surpass the $428 psychological level. Now, again, I have the funds to allocate money into QNT. If you do not have the funds to allocate into QNT, it doesn't really look appetizing to the retail investor, mainly because it is already surpassed let's just say it's already surpassed $10, $20, $30 and so on and so forth. So the normal every average day individual will stay clear of QNT because they think it's already expensive. Okay, if you're looking at this not with an ROI perspective, just from its all-time high, again, you need to wake up, you need to do some research on QNT because this project is massive. So you guys have those targets. Again, just to reiterate, as long as we hold below $70, I will be seeking to allocate funds into QNT to ride the wave back to the upside. Now, The lowest that I think that QNT personally could go is anywhere between 15 to 20 bucks, just in case we do see another sell-off on Bitcoin where it does break that $17,500 range, and we see Bitcoin go subpar of anywhere between 10, 12, maybe even 15K. We could definitely see another sell-off on QNT. Everybody's been asking me to update people on QNT. What do I think it's doing? Blah, 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 blah. Guys and gals, I'm not sitting here giving out bullish and bearish price predictions. I'm simply here as an investor, just like you all, putting logic into the market, investing smart, investing properly, attempting to protect my capital by utilizing a strategy that teaches you how to allocate funds into the market at low prices. Okay, regardless if you're seeking a dollar cost averaging approach or you're seeking to, take more so of a day trading approach where you're putting money into the market and pulling those profits out within that same day, you can utilize this strategy to build a portfolio. Now, again, we're not sitting here telling people to buy or sell QNT, okay? Utilize the strategy at your own discretion, make mature decisions, and invest in the crypto space properly by doing your own research, okay? So now that I've given you guys my higher time frame analysis, letting you all know that I will be accumulating QNT as long as we remain below $70, I want to take your attention over here to a YouTube video that we had dropped on QNT on June 19th, so roughly about a week ago, and I just want to play this video snippet for you all, so just go ahead and listen. An extra $1,350 that I can pump into the market at any given point in time, right? If the market does go bullish from here, what I can do is if the market flips bullish and starts to create bullish order flow, I can seek to get in somewhere over here to the right-hand side because I know that the market can't just go up forever. It's going to have to pull back somewhere over to the right-hand side, and I can seek to allocate that profit that I just made somewhere over here if the market does give me a higher low to then take the market higher. So that's what I'm looking. Okay, so I just want to let you all know that I've been giving you all constant updates on QNT, and I want to take your attention over here to price action on the hourly chart and below. Okay, so let's just pay attention to what price action has done since I released that video to you all. Alrighty, so jumping down to the lower time frame, I want to allocate your attention over here to June 19th. This is where I released that video to you all, and I just want you all to take a look at price action. Again, we're not filling your head with any smoke and mirrors, any bullish long-term price predictions, things of that nature. We're really teaching you all valuable perspectives in this market that you all can utilize to come out on top. So I drew something roughly like this on my charts during that QNT video, and I told you all that you could seek to allocate profits into QNT on the way up. Now, looking over here to the right-hand side, how many New York sessions presented buying opportunities on QNT all the way to where current price action is at right now from a day trading perspective? Let's just put some highlighting markers on. So from the day that I released that video to you all, telling you all that QNT price cannot go up forever, how many times do you see during New York session, again, just because we're New York session traders, New York session pull back and take buy positions? From this day, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, roughly 8, okay? 8 days worth of price action, or 8 New York session days that you could have traded QNT, understanding that the market cannot just go up forever. You could have allocated profit down into lows by utilizing the CYPRX strategy in each and every single one of these areas during New York session. You could have pulled profit, or you could have rode the wave to the upside. Now, again, this is not financial advice. I'm just letting you all know that we had mentioned to you all that we were going to be seeking to put profit back into QNT, riding the wave to the upside, taking that profit out, and then allocating that profit back into lows once we do see those price levels come into fruition, okay? And just to show you guys, no smoke and mirrors, again, from a day trader's perspective, there were 8 opportunities where you could have pumped capital into QNT and come out on top during New York session. Now, overall, what do I think QNT is personally going to do? I think that QNT is going to drop a little bit lower. I do not think that this is the bottom. I think that we're creating too much liquidity beneath lows. So let's just talk about logical target areas that we would need to see broken before we can see a bullish long-term reversal on QNT, okay? So let's just go over here, and I want to take your attention over here to the May highs and the May lows, and this is, again, just logic in the market. So the May high comes roughly in at around $104, okay? I have that marked off for you guys, and the May low comes in roughly at around $45.50, okay? So collectively speaking, all right, the low from June as of right now just swept the low from May. So what would we need to see happen in this price action, logically speaking, now that the June low has swept the liquidity from beneath the May low? we would need to see a price appreciation back above the May high or the monthly high for May, and we would need to see bullish order flow continue, or we would need to see this low hold. At any given point in time, this low breaks. Obviously, of course, the bottom is not in, and we can seek to allocate funds back into QNT. So that is something that I'm watching extremely close. Again, logically speaking, what we would need to see on QNT is a break above that, let's just roughly say $100 to $105 range. We would need to see either a nice daily or weekly close above that psychological level to hold that in the form of bullish order flow, or we would need to see that level break and respect some type of higher low that price created on the way up to that psychological level. Okay, and we would need to see a price continuation above the May high. Until this type of price action happens, we are not in an uptrend on QNT. Again, just because we got this nice little tiny price pump on the majority of altcoins, everybody's freaking out, FOMOing in. Okay, make sure that you're reserving some capital on the side. Again, I'm not telling you to buy or sell, but that would be the smart thing to do. That's what I'm personally doing, just in case we do get lower prices. Personally, what I think QNT is going to do is it's going to come and liquidate all of these equal lows here that it just recently created in June. And we are going to see a price dump down into, let's just roughly say, the $32 to $25 range. Those are my initial next buy limits on QNT. For me personally, you guys can take that as it be. I'm still going to seek to allocate funds into QNT as long as we remain below $70. So if we do not get a price depreciation on QNT below the June lows, I'm still going to seek to dollar cost average utilizing the CYPRX strategy during New York session. If we do see buying opportunities come into fruition, I will update you all on those buying opportunities on the YouTube channel. You guys have my bullish price predictions. My bullish price predictions on QNT would be a sustainable break above the $100 to $105 range, which would be the May high range. That would be a significant turning point on QNT where we can then consider, okay, maybe the bottom is in. And until that happens, we can either expect one of two things: some type of long-term consolidation in this general range underneath of May highs and above June lows. Okay. We could also see a dip beneath the May lows, where obviously, of course, we would be seeking to pump funds back into QNT at lower prices, or we could see price appreciate from where it is at now. And if that does happen, we have to be mindful once we come up into these premium ranges for May, that if we do see a fail to hold a bullish sustainable break above the May highs, the banking institutions could be seeking to take premium sell positions from these highs roughly at around $100. We need to be careful and mindful of all of those price action movements. Blessings to you guys all. I hope that you guys enjoyed that video breakdown. I'm still very skeptical that this is the bottom on the cryptocurrency assets that we trade here at CYPRX, mainly because we are failing to break highs. Okay, we're failing to break previous month highs time and time again. So again, just be mindful of this price action on QNT. If you are a QNT trader or a QNT investor, you guys have my bullish and bearish perspective. Be open-minded. Understand that even though we are still sitting at $59 currently right now, we are still heavily discounted from its all-time high. So take that with consideration and understand from an investor's perspective, that is a significant discount. Anything below 80% discount from a coin's all-time high, in my personal opinion, is a steal, considering the fact that if you're investing in utility and use case, longevity in this market and holding anywhere between now to 2025 to 2030, if you're not a day trader, you are most likely going to come out on top, in my personal opinion. All of these crypto assets that have utility and use cases are most likely going to appreciate significantly in value from now until then. So blessings to you guys all. Again, I'm not telling you all to buy or sell QNT. This is not financial advice. This is just my personal approach to QNT. I will be accumulating below $70 if I see the opportunity present itself. Blessings to you guys. Make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel, smash that thumbs up button, and as always, be cognizant, be aware, and I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video breakdown.
I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.